Yo, it's good, yeah. Market's gonna dance in a minute. Um, yeah. All right, we got the equity open now. Honestly, like today is not high probability, or rather, I wouldn't say it's not high probability, but there's no clear price action right now. We're at around the previous daily high. The high of the week is all the way up here. So currently we have Wednesday, Thursday low of the week, Tuesday high of the week. We currently just traded back up to like the 75% of the weekly candle at the moment. If we're going to close bullish, then we need to stay above the weekly open. We're also already at 400 points for the day. That's ridiculous. $13 wick. It's not really credible, to be honest. Like, that's ridiculous. Let's see if price gives us a reversal. That's something that could happen. So we got 400 points for the day already. We didn't come back for the 4-hour gap. We didn't come back for anything. I have a feeling SPX is gonna do the reversal. Nasdaq, on the other hand, I feel like buying this fair value gap is not a bad idea. I'm going with one contract on Nasdaq. Yeah. I'm buying Nasdaq today because they're equal highs. Oh, this is MNQ. Oh man, I just under risked mad. Damn. All right, let me go in a little bit more. It's pre-New York lows. We had a sweep of the London low. go. So first of all, we had that London low ran out the Asia low, so we know we have no liquidity below the London lows. We then left out equal highs pre New York, also failing to take it at equity open. We ran our sell side now into the fair value gap, so I want price now to react to the midpoint of this and close above. So this is a good enough Judah swing for me. I'll take off 3 contracts at the high. You can go with that for the day. Yeah. So hourly gap and everything. SPX on the other hand ran is high, but I feel like it's gonna keep going as well. We have the Asia extension up here. The Nasdaq could get to. So maybe I'll take off another 2 contracts at the Asia extension. Actually, I'll take off 1. I'll do 2R. And I'll take off the last one at the Asia extension. We have Powell speaking. We have Powell speaking at 10. Okay, let's go break even now. Thank you. Perfect. Perfect. Now, can we get an expansion, please? I didn't even get to write out while I'm writing. There are panel speech at 10 a.m. I'm going to take off another contract if we don't start pushing up in the next minute. Alright, taking one off. And let's see if we can get an expansion. Remember, we have news, so I'm not looking to really risk much left. That's cool. Nasdaq is moving so well. Let's see, man. Keep going, keep going. Yeah, it's still pushed already. That's cool. We got 200 points for the day already. I'm gonna be really cautious right now. Any drastic pullback, and I'm gonna cut the trade. So far, so good though. Nice, man. Keep going. Thank you. Thank you. That was a good trade. Let me do a quick trade analysis on Nasdaq. So obviously, on the hourly time frame, we had swept the previous day's low prior to the market open, and we rejected the low, right? So currently, we have the previous daily high open, and we had that price traded into an hourly fair value gap. But if we go down to the 5 minute, we can see the gap a lot more clearly. So at the open, we ran out the pre-New York lows from 5 to 9:30. We ran out those lows into this fair value gap, into the midpoint of the London range as well, and we left out equal highs. On the 5 minute, we can see that we also traded down to the Asia extension down here. So already that can tell you that at this point now, we're probably going to the other part of the Asia box. We could extend all the way up to the previous days, etc. But to do that swing from the open into this fair value gap, that's my module right there. With these equal highs, I have to take that. So once you see that the price, the 5 minute chart starts rejecting these areas, that's when you can look for your buys. And that's when I took my buys as well. You would want price to close above the midpoint to confirm your bullishness. If you go to the 1 minute chart, we can see that a lot clearer. Sorry, you can see that as soon as price closed above the midpoint, there was a retest on the 1 minute time frame. Usually we'd want a 5 minute too, but with the way the candle formed, it's an immediate close above that we'd want. So that's momentum. So when it comes to target, you want to make sure you always take partials at the session highs, because price could reverse all the way. So that's why I took out 4 of my 5 contracts. To one to go to the Asia extension. So yeah, that's it, guys. It's that simple. 10-minute trade for real. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be back on Monday for more live streams.